आपको एक बात बता दूं, आई एम वेरी गुड एट क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, और एक चीज है जिसमें मैं बहुत मुझे मेरा पैशनेट है, वो है कैरम। इंडोर में से कैरम मुझे बहुत पसंद है। और मैं आपको बताता हूं कि लास्ट महीने एक टूर्नामेंट हुआ था, डीपीज कैरम टूर्नामेंट 2021-22, और ये तो बैठ के खेलना होता है। और इसमें जो प्राइज मनी था, ऑसम प्राइज मनी, 1 लाख, एंड आई रीच द फाइनल। और मेरी पोजीशन इतनी अच्छी थी कि आई जस्ट गॉट अ सिंगल कॉइन टू पॉकेट इट। बस क्वीन को मैं पॉकेट करूंगा और पूरा 1 लाख कैश मेरा। लेकिन कैसे, बहुत डिफिकल्ट सिनारियो था। आज उसे ही आपके सामने रखता हूं मैं कि कैसे मैंने ये टूर्नामेंट जीता। ध्यान देना, सिर्फ मेरे पास ये इस रेड को मुझे पॉकेट करना। मैं स्ट्राइकर यहाँ पे अगर एम करता हूँ, ये रास्ता पूरा ब्लॉक है, गॉन, क्योंकि ये दोनों इस पॉकेट पे किसी हाल पे जाने नहीं देगा। मैं स्ट्राइकर अगर रखता भी हूँ तो इसे पॉकेट नहीं कर पाऊंगा। एक दूसरी बात, अगर मैं इस पॉकेट को टारगेट करता हूँ, ब्लैक ओवर क्राउडेड है, ब्लैक कॉइन जितने भी हैं ओवर क्राउडेड है, इधर संभव नहीं है, कोई भी पॉकेट खाली नहीं है। अच्छा, अगर मैं कोशिश करूंगा समहाउ ये यहाँ तो मैं मार भी नहीं सकता हूँ, बट अदरवाइज ये तीनों ओवर क्राउडेड है। और यहाँ पे भी एक ऑलरेडी है, चारों पॉकेट लगभग क्राउडेड भी, तो लगभग यहाँ पे प्लेस किया मैं एक इमेजिनरी लाइन, ताकि ये यहाँ पे हिट होगा समवेयर एकदम परफेक्टली। एक वी बनेगा, ये एक वी बनेगा, इमेजिनरी मैंने इमेजिन किया। लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन भी यहाँ पर काम आया मेरा। तो एक इमेजिनरी लाइन मैंने एक इमेजिन किया कि इस रेड को एक ही रास्ता इस पॉकेट पे डाल सकते हम। तो मैं इसको जो क्वीन है, क्वीन को मैं यहां से इस एंगल से हिट करूंगा कि इट विल हिट एट अ पॉइंट जो कि लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन को बिल्कुल फॉलो करेगा। तो यहां पे देन इस जगह पे हिट करने के बाद इट विल रिटर्न बैक, रिमेंबर इट विल रिटर्न बैक, सो इट विल फॉलो अ पाथ। ध्यान देना। तो मैंने जब इसको हिट किया, इट हैज गेन, ये स्टेशनरी था पहले, ये जब मैंने इस पे फोर्स लगाया इस पे, तो इसकी फोर्स इस पे ट्रांसफर हुई, इट हैज गेन द मोमेंटम, जाके हिट किया। हिट करने के बाद द बोर्ड हैज आल्सो अप्लाइड अ फोर्स ऑन इट एंड इट हैज रिबाउंड बैक एंड स्ट्रेट आके घुसा एंड आई वाज द चैंपियन। अनबिलीवेबल, 1 लाख रुपीज, इजंट इट? तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या क्या अप्लाई किया जो मैंने सीखा था। एक तो लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, दूसरा मोमेंटम, तीसरा फोर्स का, और चौथा मैंने अप्लाई किया एंगुलर मोमेंटम का भी बखूबी से परफेक्टली। तभी ये 1 लाख रुपीज मेरे पॉकेट में आ पाया। आप भी चैंपियन बन सकते हैं। आज का सेशन लॉज ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम है, उसमें आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। Momentum is defined as the product of mass and velocity of a substance. It has been taught to you. So straightway get into the board. Momentum is, small p, it's denoted in small p. It's the product of mass and velocity of a substance. Its unit, so unit of, p, momentum is kilogram, because mass is expressed in kilogram, velocity in meter per second, straightway meter per second. So this is the unit of momentum. And this is the definition of mass. It's the product of mass and velocity. What we understand by law of conservation of energy. According to law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy can be transformed from one form to another. In short, the total energy of the universe is constant. Now let's come to the definition of law of conservation of momentum. The total momentum of a system, of a universe, is also constant. The final momentum is always equal to the initial momentum of a universe. Now we will try to derive that portion. Let's take scenario 1, where two objects are there, A and B, with mass ma and mb, and the velocity of A is UA, initial velocity is UA, and the initial velocity of B is U, small u, B. They are traveling towards themselves. A situation will come when they will come pretty close and they will collide. This is scene number 2. They will collide with each other. This is the state of collision, and this was the case of before collision. This is the scenario before collision. They are traveling towards each other. Second is, this is exactly they are hitting head on. So this is MA and MB, and obviously A and B. After collision, what will be the scenario? A and B. A will hit the object B with a force FAB, and similarly in turn there will be a reaction from B towards A, FBA. What is FB? FAB, let's understand. And mass will remain same. The mass will be MA and its mass will be MB. But there will be a change in the velocity factor. Mass will be constant here, remain same, but the velocity after collision will change. MA will now have a final velocity of VA instead of UA, and MB will possess, or the object B possess, now a final velocity of VB. But see the direction of force. It is from left to right, A towards B, and FBA is traveling from, this force is from B applied on A. This is a reactive force. This can be called as a reactive force. We know, according to Newton's third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction. So when the object A is hitting object B with a force, B will also, that's the action. So here action is equal to opposite reaction according to Newton's third law. Opposite reaction, Rn stands for opposite reaction. This is Newton's third law, isn't it? Newton's third law of motion. Now every action has equal and opposite reaction. Now opposite reaction means what? Reaction is a kind of force again. And action is also force here. Action can be replaced by force. Try to understand the concept here. And reaction is also nothing but again a force, but opposite force. Opposite means the minus sign. So this is the force applied by A on B, and this is the reaction of B upon A. Newton's third law. Now this was the case of A of B. Now here let's, according to, we know force equal to the rate of change of momentum. But before we proceed further, let's calculate the initial momentum, total initial momentum of the two objects, and the total final momentum after the collision. Before the collision, we'll calculate the total initial momentum. So, before collision scenario, the first case, the total initial momentum will be very simple. The initial momentum possessed by object A and initial momentum object B, will add them together, will get the total initial momentum. So it's very easy. So it will be MA UA plus, there are two objects, MB UB. This is the total initial momentum. This is the total initial momentum, we say PI, initial momentum. Now let's calculate the total final momentum of the two objects A and B after collision. How can we found? It's again the same. PF, PF denotes the final momentum after the collision here. Now it will be again, this is A, this is B. Now that will be MA VA plus MB of the other object VB. This is the final momentum. So now the rate of change of momentum of A the rate of change of momentum of A, rate of change of momentum of A will be, you know, what? It will be ma va minus ma ua. Fine. And similarly upon, it will be divided by T, and FBA, that is the reactive force of B upon A, will be, you know, minus of what, you know, mb final velocity, final, you know, momentum of the object B minus the initial momentum of the object B, that is mb by T. Now these two forces are equal according to Newton's third law of motion. According to Newton's third law of motion. This portion is clear, so I need space here. We are almost reaching the last phase, so please pay attention here. So according to Newton's third law of motion, F, you know, AB equal to minus of F BA. Let's replace everything there. So what we get here, MA VA minus MA UA by T, this is FAB, and put there exactly, it will be minus MB VB minus MB V rather U, it will be U, just a minute, UB upon T, upon T, to take care of the minus sign. T, both the T's are in denominator, they will be cancelled out naturally here. Next step, it will be MA VA minus MA UA equal to minus, we have to open the bracket, then minus MB VB minus minus plus, these two minus will become plus, plus sign, it become, you know, minus minus plus MB UB here. Now let's rearrange here. The negative thing I will bring here, and this minus term will go there, so it becomes, you know, what? It becomes my MA VA plus, minus will become plus, it's coming this side, MB VB equal to M, I will write this one, MB UB plus, because this plus MA UA, isn't it? We'll reorganize the terms here. If I reorganize this term, it is fine, absolutely fine. So MA VA plus MB VB, isn't it? Now equal to, it's absolutely, I will write the A term first, otherwise it's correct, plus MB UB here. Now this is the what? Initial momentum, this is final moment. I can reorganize once again. So I will get here MA, that term UA plus MB UB equal to MB UB plus MB VB. What we have arrived at the conclusion, and you know, just a minute, this is my initial momentum, this is my initial momentum, total initial momentum is equal to, oh I occupied the other space also, so it's this is what? Total initial momentum, this is equal to nothing but total final momentum of the two bodies. These two bodies constitute our system. So that's a law of conservation of the total initial momentum is always equal to the total final momentum of the objects in a system. That's all for today. We will be dealing with some more challenging and very engrossing topic in the next session. Take best care of yourself, take good care, enjoy good food and good company, read good books, and DP is always praying for your super success. Bye bye and take care. God bless.